Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marguerite and welcome if any of you who are new. So this is a new type of video I want to do and just share with you, show you my drugstore picks for the week. I feel like I'm not the best at using affordable products, especially makeup. So I definitely want to try to become more affordable, you know, just share with you like products I genuinely like. I don't want to be like shoving the newest affordable drugstore product. These are products I've tested and tried. I have 5 to share with you today. These are the picks for the week, but I can't guarantee that I'll have 5 every week because that's a lot and I'm going to run out of products. So, you know, it might just be one product here or there that I just want to share with you, or a new product I've tried that I like. But again, I want this just to be like all affordable products that I want to pass on to you. First product is Witch Hazel. This is the Thayers Unscented Witch Hazel. This has aloe vera, so it's extra hydrating. I use this as a toner, and this is something I recommend to all of you. I think it's great for any skin type. I think a lot of people are scared when they hear Witch Hazel. And by the way, there's some that have fragrances in it. If you get Witch Hazel, please make sure it's alcohol-free and fragrance-free, because the alcohol is very drying and the fragrance is very drying and irritating. So it has to be alcohol-free and unscented. You can get this from, I think CVS and Walgreens carry it. I know Target does, and Amazon. And I think Whole Foods. But Witch Hazel is very affordable, especially for a toner, and a good toner. This is just like a natural remedy. I think this beats any Neutrogena toner because usually those have alcohol or fragrances. And if they don't have alcohol or fragrance, then they most likely have parabens, which I personally want to stay away from and avoid. People have different opinions on that. But anyways, this is very natural, very gentle, but this is great if you have enlarged pores. It just kind of helps tighten your pores. This is not drying, and I have on and off used this throughout my life, but it wasn't until a month ago that this is now in my routine every night. This has replaced my other toner I used to use. So when I went to Florida a month ago, I broke out in this terrible heat rash, and it looked like full-on acne all over my face. Brought me back to my childhood years, that's for sure. I read that use Witch Hazel, that's the only toner your skin can handle, and it's very soothing and very antibacterial, antimicrobial, whatever. It really helped clean the rash. It didn't spread the rash. It's great if you have acne prone skin. It's very natural. And I apply this with the cotton pad right after I wash my face. And ever since I've used this, I've never seen my skin so smooth. Even though I thought it was clear for the most part, I would still have like bumps here or there, especially on my forehead. But my forehead is completely smooth ever since. I definitely think this is to blame. I definitely try to go for like just a very gentle hydrating approach right now while I'm pregnant. If you have very irritated skin, if your skin's very dry, cracked, red, rosacea, you just notice pimples keep coming up, well, you definitely want to look at what skincare you're using, and it's very hard to tell what exactly is breaking you out. Could be your cleanser, but it very well could be your toner. And if you don't have a toner, this is a great toner to add. It will just help hydrate. It will help prepare your skin for any serums or moisturizers you are going to apply. It's just very soothing to your skin. Paraben-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free. I like the aloe leaf juice in it. That was also another product that I was supposed to use to help soothe and heal my skin rash. I think the same can be for acne too. I think this is very soothing. So again, this is number 1 on my list for affordable product of the week, but this is gonna be on my list every week. It's not just this week, but I might not mention it next week because I mentioned it this week, but number 1 in my book. Witch Hazel as a toner. Since I started with skincare, I have 2 more skincare and then 2 makeup products. So number 2 by The Ordinary. This is their lactic acid 5% plus hyaluronic acid 2%. I believe this is $7, so this is right in the range of any drugstore serum. You can't get this at the drugstore. You can get this at dcm.com, Beautylish, Hush, is that what people are telling me? Another website, and Sephora. This is the lactic acid 5% plus hyaluronic acid 2%. Acid sounds scary. This is very mild. It doesn't say, I think this has like Tasmanian pepperberry, which kind of dilutes it and prevents irritation. But again, this is 5%. It's very mild. But what this is a chemical exfoliator. So if you're noticing your skin is just dry, dehydrated, you see lines now formulating, you have new lines on your forehead and you're just like, what do I do? If you have hyperpigmentation, this is a great product to start with. This is not that strong. So again, anyone can use this. I'm pregnant. I have very fragile, sensitive skin right now, and it can handle this. You can use this every night. I only use this twice a week just because I don't like using acids every night while I'm pregnant. You know, you want to be careful. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin, even though this is very mild. They also have a 10%, by the way, which I will get once I'm not pregnant, but this is one of those products that I'll apply in the PM and I wake up and my skin is literally glowing the next day. And I do not say that lightly. It's very rare that that happens to my face. So lactic acid is one of those products. It's an acid, so it's going to exfoliate, and it's a chemical exfoliator, so it's going to work while you're sleeping at just breaking down your dead skin, your outermost dead skin layer. It's going to help slough off dead skin cells and just kind of reveal in the morning a beautiful softer skin that's hopefully more hydrated and glowy and bouncy. So again, this is a great product at helping like reveal smoother skin. It's great for wrinkles because it kind of helps plump your skin, you know, so this is a great addition. Highly recommend this. Affordable product number 2. Now affordable product number 3, also by The Ordinary, 100% plant-derived squalane. This is squalane oil. This is probably one of the cheapest squalane oils you'll find on the market. Also by The Ordinary, but again, this is an oil, great for all skin types. I know oils might sound scary if you're new to oils, but this is the last step in my skincare routine morning and night. So after I apply my moisturizer, this is the last thing to seal everything in. You just gently press it into your skin. So if you're a type of person that you wake up and your skin is just so dry, this is a great product to just kind of help seal in those products while you sleep. Kind of help seal in moisture, you know, if you're rubbing your head around your pillowcase all throughout the night, it's just gonna help seal in moisture. An oil is one of the thickest molecules, so you wanna apply it last. This is also a great makeup primer. I always apply this underneath my primer, and this is like my first base before makeup. I find that this helps protect my skin from makeup. Since the oil is thick, I feel like it prevents the makeup from getting into my pores and clogging my pores. So again, this is just great if you have very dry skin. It's a great boost to help seal in moisture. So if you feel like your skincare routine is just lacking something, I highly recommend you check out squalane oil. It will not break you out. I promise you, it will not oxidize, it won't age you, and it dries very fast. It's non-greasy. It's just, your skin will drink it up. Amazing. Now, 2 makeup products. Number 1, we have the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I don't know what color because mine ripped off on the back, but you can tell I use this. This is one of my favorite highlighters I reach for. I would compare this to the Makeup Forever one. There's a Makeup Forever one I have. What is that? The Pro Sculpt. This isn't baked. I don't think this is baked like that. It's not like as silky as the Makeup Forever, but it's comparable. It's the same color. I think they have a more pinky toned one. This is gold. I love gold. But like just swirling my finger in it, I already picked up too much. This is so pigmented. Like look at that. It's just so beautiful when you apply it on your cheek. Here, do I have a brush down here? Oh, I don't think I have anything on this. Hopefully not. This is an eyeshadow brush, but I just want to show you. So just lightly like swirl your brush in there. I'm just tapping because it's so pigmented. And then you just lightly apply on the cheeks, your high points of your cheeks. And oh my goodness, Mama Mia. I just love it. It's so pigmented. I definitely just like to concentrate this on the outer part of my face because I find that it defines any texture or pores. Like I don't like to bring mine in this area because it just defines and magnifies my pores, which Big Mama does not want. But I just love this color. I think it's so flattering if you have like medium to darker skin tones. It truly is a beautiful color. It's so pigmented, it's metallic like it says. So if you really want a good highlighter, I highly recommend this. I love the gold, but they have a different color. Gold is not your color. But again, I'm very picky with drugstore makeup, and this is a product I reach for every day. Even formal occasions, I'm like, oh, I know this highlighter is gonna deliver. I know this is gonna give me the pigment I want. So I highly recommend it if you haven't tried this out. And lastly, to round up my affordable picks for the week, I have this NYX lingerie. and the color Baby Doll, number 11. This is my favorite nude. I find that this is moisturizing. It's not too drying. It's a liquid lipstick. I already have a bunch of lip products on, but I'm gonna try this on just to show you. I love the color. I probably should apply this bare lip, but to me, it's just a perfect nude. They have like 6 other nude shades, so you can find your perfect nude. This is one of the lighter ones. This reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Pure Hollywood. I would say this is a dupe. I love the formula. I love NYX. I know NYX is a little more expensive for drugstore. To me, it's like the high end of drugstore, and I truly think their products deliver. So highly recommend this NYX lingerie. I feel like no one ever talks about these, and I just love them. So yeah, these are my 5 affordable picks for the week. I'm gonna try to do this video every week and just show you like my affordable picks for that week. And these are not random products. These are tried and true. I have used this on and off for years, but consistently for a month every day. I've had lactic acid and squalane for, I think I first got these 8 months ago. So I 100% advocate for I've had this for at least 6 months. I love it. And I've had this for what, 4 months? Whenever it came out, whenever this launched, which I think was last fall, I've had. So these are just products I genuinely love and want to share with you, my affordable picks, because I feel bad. I feel like I don't do enough drugstore on this channel. So I definitely want to try to get better at that, and rather than just like doing drugstore hauls, the new makeup, drugstore first impressions, I just want to share with you like my picks and explain why I like them. So I'd love to hear your guys' picks for the week or the month, or you know, whatever your current favorite drugstore product you have, because you know, if it's truly worth it, I will go out and buy it. Okay, so yeah, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and I will see you later in another video.